Hello there. Welcome to Message 91. In the following minutes, we will walk you through the use case of our file hosting option. With file hosting, you have the convenience of creating a public URL for any type of file, be it an image, video, or JSON file. This URL can then be utilized when sending text messages, emails, or WhatsApp messages. After login to your Message 91 account, navigate to the Utilities section and select the File Hosting option. You have two options for uploading files. You can either directly upload a file or create a new folder first and then upload the files into that folder. To create a new folder, click on the appropriate button, and once the folder is added, you can upload files under it for which you wish to generate public URL. Click on the Upload Files button, provide a name for your file, choose the desired file from your system, and proceed by clicking on the Upload button. Please note that the supported files are PNG, JPEG, JPG, JSON, MP4, and QuickTime only. Soon there will be more extensions. After uploading, you can copy the public URL of the uploaded file under the actions and can also take other actions, like editing or deleting the public URL. These public URL are versatile and can be utilized in WhatsApp, email, and SMS templates. We hope this video was helpful. In case you have any questions or queries, the Message 91 team is there to assist you. Thank you for choosing us.